Well, there it is, a 1958 Austin Healey Bugeye Sprite. Another fine mess I've gotten myself into. Do have the grill for it. Somebody attempted to do some body work and never bothered to strip the paint off underneath, which is why you got that big rust spot there that shouldn't be there. The rear end was bashed in a bit. Bottom here is rusted out a bit. Oops, let's go the other way. One of the bumpers is missing. Has the fiberglass top. Has the special, don't know if you can see this, but has the very special aftermarket flow-through air conditioning. Most of the gauges look in there and complete. Don't know if they're actually working or not. We'll find that out. Windshield wipers need straightened out. I have no idea what the open whatever it is on there. El Suno expires 1967. Bit of a crack on the top here. Fiberglass, I can fix that. The rear window I do have, just need new gasket for it once the top is fixed. Has the self-deflating right rear sand tire. Absolutely necessary for when you're driving on the beach in Pensacola. Has bass-backwards opening doors. You push the handle down to open the door. And let's see. Oh gosh, there's a little bit of air flow through the door too. That's nice. Let's see here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yep. New floor pans are in order. 4-speed gearbox. Let's look under the hood. Oh, well, that's convenient. Little 4-cylinder motor, 949 cc, rusted out battery box. Let's see if I can get this damn thing to work around here. I'm thinking this was originally painted yellow. I think that's the original factory color. We'll find out. Promises to be an interesting project. Join me for the ride on Patreon, folks. This is going to be fun, and I can use all the help I can get. Thanks.